Next, we're going to add two buttons and a label that shows the directions, and we'll code the first button to display the instructions in the label. And the second button will close the application. So go to my toolbar and I'll just put a button down here. We'll put a second button down here. We can move them, we can drag them around later. Button 1, we'll set the text to directions. I'm probably not doing this per the book. And button 2 to exit. You'll have to do it exactly per the instructions, but I'm just... Now, I'm going to put a label here. And notice the label is... well, let me show you. I'm going to add the text. We'll put some instructions that would take 2 lines. Travel east on I-80 to exit 27, which is Huntington Street. Once on Huntington Street, drive 1.2 miles to hotel. Okay, now obviously that didn't work the way I thought it would. And I'll show you why. There's 2 properties we need to make sure are set. We need to find Autosize. Autosize is on. And then we need to find maximum size. Here we go, maximum size. 0, 0 will keep it all on one line. So let's set a maximum width of 300. There we go. Now if I had more text in there, I'll go in and change the text to the end of this. It will maintain 300 pixels wide. So this is label 2. I'm going to show you real quickly how to change the label 2 to display when we click on this button. We're going to select the visible property as false. So when I compile this, that will not be visible. And then we're going to double click on the button we want for displaying directions, and its handler for clicking will simply be label 2 dot. Notice how when I start to type V, the only option is visible equals, and it gives me 2 options in the assignment statement. I can double click on true. Now watch what happens when I compile this. It's building. I have the output window almost hidden. Notice the label that was 300 pixels wide is not visible when we first start running because its initial property, the initial value for the visible property was false. Now, it's going to, when I click on this directions button, there is code in the event handler that will change the visible property of that label to true. Watch. There we go. Now, I didn't code the exit button. I'm going to leave that for you to figure out.